Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a real chatting kind of application which is developed in Node.js and Express, and we are using the concept of WebRTC peer-to-peer text chatting application. So here I have deployed this application live on Heroku, and I have given the link in the video description. You can go to this link. If you go to this link, you need to enter your username inside this alert box. Let me enter my username as Gautam, and if I enter this chat here, if I click OK, so you will see this welcome message, welcome Gautam, and this is a background screen. Here you can type your messages. So you can see your message is locked here because no friends are available here. So all the friends which will connect to this chatting application will be listed out on the left hand side. So now if I copy paste this same URL and some other person open this inside the world here, around the world, so it is online, so you can see another alert box appears here. If I now change the name to, let's suppose, John, and if I click OK here, so now you will see welcome John, and now Gautam was already available inside the chat, so you can see it is available inside this John window. Gautam is available, and if I open this my window, you will see John is appearing. So now to send a message to John, you will simply click on this option. It will turn blue, and now you are chatting with privately with John here. So you will send a message. So the nice thing about this chatting application, you will be hearing a special sound when you send a message. Let me just show you. If I press hi here, you will see a nice MP3 voice is there. You can see Pichuk. So you can see this message will be received here. Gautam, new message is received. So if you click this window, hi message is received from Gautam. So now if you want to send out a hi message, you can see Pichuk, and you can see this message is received by John. So this is a kind of very good chatting kind of application if you want to deploy it inside your website also. And the nice thing is that you are not limiting to text messages. You can even send images as well, PDF, audio files, video files. This is the right hand side. There is an option here. If you click this option, you will able to share images as well. So if I click this, you will see if I want to share this image, I will simply click it, and you will see instantly this image is shared. And if I open this window, you can see I have shared this image with John here. I have sent this message. So the nice thing about this that I am not storing these images on the server. So if I right click, open image in new tab, you will see this image is just it is a base 64 image, so it is not stored on the server, so server is not loaded because of these images. So all the source code regarding this video, guys, is also given in the video description. You can go to my detailed blog where I have written step-by-step instruction on how to make this application from scratch. So go to the video description, go to the blog, and here you will find the live demo alongside with the instructions. You can go to this bottom of the blog, download source code, and then there will be a GitHub repository about this project, so you can simply download the code in a zip file like this. And now let me just elaborate more about the chatting application. Let's suppose if I open this window for the third time, so it's a group chatting application. Unlimited users can join. You again need to provide your username. Let's suppose this time I provide the username as Harris. So you will see already two people are there, Gautam and John. So you can just select which one to chat with. So if I just click hi here, you will see again this message will be there. I have sent this to Gautam. If I open the Gautam window, you will see you are receiving a new message from Harris. So if I just click it, so nice notifications are also available. You can even send emojis as well. A list of emojis are there, so you can simply click it and send out unlimited of emojis like this. You can see that, and you can even send out videos as well. So this is a video option. So here only mp4 files are available. So if I select videos here, so this is a video here. If I select this, so it will take some time to upload, so just wait, and after that it will send out this video inside the full screen. So just wait, it is uploading here. Let me just select once again. Oh sorry, this video sorry, I am selecting my as existing video. This is recording video, so I cannot select this video. So this is a video I can select here, 2 megabytes. So if I select this, you will see this video will be uploaded. So just wait, it will take some time to upload. After that, it will play this video inside this window. So wherever, video uploading process can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 2 seconds. So you will see now this video is uploaded here. You can see that. So it will take some time. Now you can see that you can play this video. If I play this, you will see this is a video. You can even make this full screen as well. There is an option here of full screen. This is a playing option here. You can see, you can right click, also save this video as, or copy image address, or picture in picture. You can see that. Just right click on the video, just double click, and you can just play this video on full screen. So this is a very famous chatting application where you can even send videos in as a message. So this is a great application. So now comes the video audio part as well. You can select the audio file as well. So if I want to select audio file, mp3 file, if I select this file, you will see this audio file will also be able. I am sending it to Harris here, so just wait. It can take some time to upload because I am running this on Heroku, so there has some limitations as well. So images upload are very much easy. If you are sending out images, then it is easy. You can send out images, but audio and video has some problems. So I will fix this problem in the upcoming videos. And also you can also send out PDF documents as well. So let me just select a PDF document here. If I select this PDF document, you will see, now you can see this PDF document is sent here, and you can just save this PDF document as well. Right click, save as, and then you can save your PDF document. I have sent it to Harris. If I select the Harris window, let me just close this windows here and start from scratch. Sometimes it can have problem here. So if I once again go to my Node WebRTC Heroku app, if I have press Gotham here, so you can see, if I open this window for the second time, if I type here Sanjay, let me type some more names. So you can see many peoples are available. So let me send out a message to Harris. So I can select, let's suppose a audio file. Let me select a mp3 file. This is a mp3 file. So it is only 50 kilobytes, so it is not big in size. So you can send this file. So it will take some time to upload, so you need to eagerly wait for this. And similarly, you can even send out these if I send out a PDF document, let's suppose if I go to Lightshot, this is a PDF document, you will see. So it is PDF and images are working properly, but video and audio, due to their size, it is not working properly inside this app. So I will fix this problems in the next tutorial, and I will show you this beautiful app. So in the meanwhile, you can just go to the video description, just read out the full block with the step-by-step instructions, and you can go to the video, this repository, and you can download the full source code. And please like the video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.